It was evident since the Armenia-Azerbaijan conflict that drones will have a major impact on how modern battles are fought. This notion has been solidified even more in the Ukraine-Russia conflict. Keeping this in view, the U.S. administration plans to send 4 armed MQ-1C Gray Eagle drones to Ukraine for the country's resistance to Russia's invasion. The Ukrainian armed forces are using a range of unmanned aerial vehicles against the Russian military, such as the armed Turkish Bayraktar-TB2 and the unarmed AeroVironment RQ-20 Puma AE. However, the Gray Eagle is at a different level and trumps the drone Ukraine is currently having by a significant margin when it comes to range, endurance, and weapons payload. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how American-made Gray Eagle drones will give Ukraine a major boost in capabilities. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. NordVPN is a premium VPN service available for macOS, iOS, Windows, and Android with more than 5,400 servers in 60 countries. But why use a VPN or virtual private network? VPN is an encrypted tunnel. A VPN can protect your privacy, which is threatened by many factors like data logging by internet service providers. It can also help you access contents which are blocked based on geolocation. Why NordVPN? Its servers are fast and has zero log policy. Not only this, NordVPN has taken one step further and recently introduced a new feature, threat protection. Threat protection prevents malware from getting on users' devices and blocks trackers, intrusive and malicious ads, and harmful websites. Use the link in the description to get up to 71% off the 2-year plan plus threat protection for no extra cost. At the checkout, use the code DEFENSE to get an extra month for free. The General Atomics MQ-1C Gray Eagle, previously the Warrior, also called Sky Warrior and ERMP or Extended Range Multi-Purpose, is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, MALE, unmanned aerial system UAS. It was developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems GAASI for the United States Army as an upgrade to the General Atomics MQ-1 Predator. The U.S. Army initiated the Extended Range Multi-Purpose UAV competition in 2002 with the winning aircraft due to replace the RQ Hunter. 2 aircraft entered, the AIA and Northrop Grumman Hunter II and the Warrior. In August 2005, the Army announced the Warrior to be the winner and awarded a $214 million contract for system development and demonstration. The Army intended to initially procure 11 Warrior systems, each of these units having 12 UAVs and 5 ground control stations. With an expected total program cost of $1 billion, the aircraft was to enter service in 2009. Since its introduction, the Gray Eagle has seen a lot of upgrades. For example, the U.S. Army announced on the 3rd of September 2010 that the integration of the AGM-114 Hellfire missile on the UAV had been so successful that 4 weaponized MQ-1Cs would be deployed to Afghanistan in late 2010. The Gray Eagle has an increased wingspan and is powered by a Thylert Centurion 1.7 heavy fuel engine HFE. This is a diesel piston engine that burns jet fuel, giving the aircraft better performance at high altitudes. It can operate for 36 hours at altitudes of up to 25,000 feet, 7,600 meters, with an operating range of 250 miles, or 450 kilometers. The aircraft's nose fairing was enlarged to house a synthetic aperture radar, ground-moving target indicator (SAR) GMTI system, and targeting is also provided with an AN/AAS-52 multispectral targeting system (MTS) under the nose. Its sensors can fuse infrared imagery and use the SAR to scan and detect changes in terrain like tire tracks, footprints, and buried improvised explosive devices when performing a second scan. The aircraft can carry a payload of 800 pounds or 360 kilograms and may be armed with weapons such as ABM-114 Hellfire missiles and GBU-44B Viper strike guided bombs. In May 2013, Raytheon delivered 2 electronic attack payloads as part of the U.S. Army's Networked Electronic Warfare Remotely Operated (NERO) system for jamming enemy communications on behalf of the Joint Improvised Explosive Device Defeat Organization (JEDO). Derived from the Communications Electronic Attack Surveillance and Reconnaissance (CESAR) system on the C-12 Huron, mounting NERO on the unmanned Gray Eagle gives reduced risk, reduced operating costs, and 2 to 3 times the endurance of electronic attack missions. Test flights showed that the Gray Eagle could operate with the jammer payload without being subject to adverse effects. The improved Gray Eagle, or IGE, has a maximum gross takeoff weight of 4,200 pounds, that's 1,900 kilograms, with its 205 horsepower engine, compared to the Gray Eagle's 3,600-pound, or 1,600 kilograms, MG tow and 160 horsepower engine. General Atomics has added new winglets to increase endurance and allow the addition of a new vertical antenna. IGE can carry 850 pounds or 390 kilograms of fuel internally with its deep belly design, and 500 pounds or 230 kilograms through its centerline hardpoint. External fuel tanks can add 450 pounds or 200 kilograms of extra fuel, allowing for a 50-hour endurance. A special operations configuration can carry 2 Hellfire missiles and a SIGINT payload for 35 hours, as opposed to 14 to 15 hours for the Block 1 Gray Eagle. Ukraine has used drones effectively. For example, Bayraktar-TB2 was used to distract Moskva's air defense when it was attacked by Neptune missile and sunk. Many pinpoint artillery strikes against Russian assets have been executed with location data received from drones. It's unclear which variant of the Gray Eagle will be provided by the U.S., but all of these are technically superior to the present inventory possessed by Ukraine. Ukraine's a large country, and the high endurance of the drone will be especially handy. Not only in surveillance, but also when it comes to conducting land attacks, Gray Eagle has huge potential. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comments section. This will help us improve.